cause that be natural.
Lady
I ain't
D.
looking tacky. I keep my game tactful.
Yo.
Yeah, I'm so nappy.
M.O.B.
Cause that be
The
natural. I ain't
infamous.
looking tacky cause I keep my game tactful.
I'm so pretty, I'm so fat, boo. I'm so natural, it's like it's a taboo. I'm so filthy, got the tattoo stuck in these bitches like I own ragu. On my business with my platoon, getting these minutes like I'm a typhoon. Y'all is jersey on that cartoon and I'm still on top. Hey guys, welcome back to Afros and Baby Hairs. And today we'll be doing another Nails and Designs experiment number 24. This will be a Rockstar Pink Glitter Mani. So if you're interested in seeing us do this mani, then please stay tuned. So yeah, guys, I don't know what Mimi has gotten into this last week or so. Her nails look horrible. So I'm just trying to shape them back up, get them back even. It looks like she's been biting on them again, getting a bunch of hangnails. Her nail bed is very uneven. Her cuticle is a mess. So I'm just trying to fix all of that so that I can go ahead and paint her nails. When the nail bed is all chipped and uneven, it does make the polish look a little unprofessional. So you want to start off on a smooth surface. So that's what I'm trying to do, is get the surface as smooth as possible and the surrounding area around the nail as presentable as possible, so that we can complete this manicure. So yeah, right here I'm just getting the excess cuticle, the hangnails, all of that, and then I moved on to actually shaping the nails up, getting her a actual even length to her nails, making sure there isn't any chip pieces on the tips of her nails, the little bit that she does have left. Now her nails were growing, but I guess she just got back into her old mode of doing things, and that was just to bite her nails. It's certain things that cause her to do that. So yeah, so here we are. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and give her another treatment. And also I did want to say, everything that I'm doing on one hand, I am doing on the other hand. It's just for the sake of timing. Some scenes I did have to cut out. But yeah, I'm just trying to make the nail as even and as presentable as possible so that I can go ahead and polish the nails. So yeah, that's what we're doing in these clips. So yeah, right here I am using my 4-way block on her nails, and with this block you can even the nails, buff the nails, polish the nails, and shine the nails all before adding the polish. And this really does make the nails completely even and everything like that. But you have to use the actual different sides for different results. So it starts off with the number 1, which is the side that evens the nail out. And then number 2 will be the buff side. Number 3 is the polished side. And number 4 is the shine side. So this levels out everything. Even though I did a little bit of fouling in the beginning, this makes it almost flawless. So yeah, that's what I'm doing on these clips. And then once I'm done with this, I'm going to go ahead and polish her nails with the Sally Hansen nail hardener. and allow her to sit under the nail dryer for just a few moments until that dries. So yeah, guys, now that the actual nail hardener has dried, we're going to go ahead and proceed on with the mani. And right here, we're using the Sally Hansen Hardest Nails Extreme Wear number 569 Rockstar Pink. And we're going to apply 2 coats of this glitter polish to all of her nails. And then we're going to top it off with the Wet n Wild Fast Drying Top Coat Clear the Air number 241A, just to seal everything in. And this particular Sally Hansen Hardest Nails Extreme Wear Rockstar Pink is a very pigmented glittery polish. I really like it. It's not real spacey. You don't have to force the glitter where you want it to go. It is full of glitter. So we only had to use 2 coats of this. So that's why, I opt to only do 2 coats of it. So yeah, that's what we're doing in these clips, and then she'll proceed on to the dryer to let that dry. And that will be basically it for the actual manicure. So yeah. So right here, guys, I'm just adding a little bit of acetone to this polish. It was becoming a little too thick. So I just added a couple of drops of the acetone to it to loosen it up a bit so it could spread evenly. So that's all I'm doing on this particular section. So yeah, guys, we're just adding the top coat to her nails. You can add one layer or two layers, it's all up to you. But I'm just adding one layer of the top coat to the nails. This was a very simple and basic mani, but it does look really, really good. If you don't want to do much to your nails, but you still want a pretty cute look, you can always opt to use the glitter polish or make your own glitter polish. So yeah, that's what we decided to do today. Her nails look really, really good. This is a look she's never done before. But yeah, so this is about it, guys. We want to thank you so much for tuning in today. We really appreciate your time and energy. We hope to see you guys on the next video. Peace and love, and as always, be blissful.
DJ Mike C on the track.
Cause that be natural.
Lady D.
Ain't looking tacky. I keep my game tactful.
Yo,
Yeah, I'm so nappy. Cause that be natural. Ain't looking tacky. Cause I keep my game tactful.
I'm so pretty, I'm so fabu, I'm so natural, it's like it's a taboo. I'm so filthy, got the tattoo, cooking these beans like I own ragu. On my business with my platoon, getting these minutes like I'm a typhoon. Y'all is jersey on that cartoon, and I'm sitting on top of these buffoons. I'm so nappy, I'm so nappy. All these dudes that wanna get at me, I'm so cultured and I'm happy. Jealous switches wanna come back me, cause I'm comfortable in my skin. End of the day, you lose, I win. I'm so comfortable in my ends, don't care if I make or lose a few friends, and I look like $1 trillion. Lady D won a lotto, cause in the Lord I trust, and beauty is the motto. Naturally thick in the butt, I'm Billy Blanks on the Tabo. Edges a little rough, just pretend I'm from Morocco. Organ all up in my hair, cause I let my locks grow naturally. My curls popping everywhere, I'm maximizing on this natural thing.